Hello students, now we will discuss on the factorization chapter, exercise 7.1, sum number 4a1. Now this is 16 minus p square minus q square minus 2pq. So first we have to do common minus from these three. Then we have p square plus 2pq plus q square. It is a format of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b whole square. So now it is a form of a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b, where a is 4 and b is p plus q. So a plus b and a minus b, where a is 4 and b is p plus q. So when we get the minus, then minus p minus q. Total it is the answer. Next sum 3. 1 minus 2x plus x square minus y square. These three will go a form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square is 1 square 1, so b square is x square x, so it will be a minus b whole square, where a is 1 and b is x, minus y square is y whole square. So it is a form of a square minus b square again. So it will be a plus b and a minus b, where a is 1 minus x and b is y. So a plus b and a minus b. Clear? Next sum number 4. These three form a format of a square plus b square plus 2ab. We rewrite this line by x whole square plus 2 into x, a for x and b for we got from this 1 by x square, so it will be 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square, which is 1 by x square. So a square is here, b square is here, and to form this 2 into a into b, where a we have x and b 1 by x. These three form a format of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we take common 3 from these two, minus 3x minus 3 by x. So minus 3 into, when we take 3 common, then here x and here 1 by x, plus, because common minus from these two. So these three form a format of a plus b whole square, where a is x and b is 1 by x, x plus 1 by x whole square, minus 3 into x plus 1 by x. So from these two we take x plus 1 by x as a common. So here remaining part of x plus 1 by x, because there is 2 x plus 1 by x. So when we take common x plus 1 by x, then here is still 1 remaining, x plus 1 by x, and here minus 3. Okay. Here number 5, area of square is this. Now we factorize this by 2x, 4x square is 2x whole square, 12xy, rewrite this as 2a, a for 2x and b for 3y. We got from this 9y square is 3y whole square, so we got b as 3y and a as 2x. So 2ab, this 3 multiplying, we got 12xy. So it is a form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and we get 2x plus 3y whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square. Okay, therefore side equal to root over area, side equal to root over area of square. Square formula is, it is a square formula, so side equal to root over area, and put the value of area 2x plus 3y whole square, then root and square goes, therefore 2x plus 3y is the answer. Side of square is 2x plus 3y. Evaluate 6-1. It is a form of a square minus b square. 64 square write as 8a whole square minus 1 square. So it is a square minus b square form. So a plus b minus b, 8a plus 1 into 8a minus 1, down it was 8a plus 1. So cut each other, 8a plus 1 and we get the answer 8a minus 1. Number 3, this is the equation, and from this we have to find the value. So in the numerator 16m square write as 4m whole square and take common minus from this 3. So we got n square plus 2n plus 1, and we got from this 3 it is a form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is n plus 1 whole square. So again it is the form of a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, then a for 4m, b for n plus 1. So we have a plus b, a minus b, and cut each other. Therefore remaining part is 4m plus 1 plus n plus 1, 4m plus n plus 1. It is the answer. Okay.